Great morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to do past perfect tense. As you know about the past tenses. Past tense, in past tense we have done past indefinite, past continuous. Now it's turn of past perfect tense. So what do you mean by perfect? कि the work which had done in the past, जो past में शुरू होके खत्म हो गया. Perfect, past perfect. Done in past, completed in past. It's a past perfect कि past में शुरू हुआ और past में ही खत्म हो गया. In past perfect we take 4 type of sentences. First one is affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, firstly we have to take subject. हमें subject लेना है. कैसे लेंगे subject? Plus had plus third form, then object. Had plus third form, then object. Then for example, he had passed his examination. Had passed. Had is used here. Third form is used here. We use had with singular and plural both. कि हम had को singular और plural दोनों के साथ use करेंगे. If I mention they, then same sentence will be applied. Had passed their examination. Clear? In affirmative sentences we have to use subject plus had plus third form and object. कि हमें had लगाना है, third form लगाना है और then क्या use करना है? We have to use object. हमें object use करना है. But in interrogative sentences, what we have to use? Negative sentences. But we have sentences. How to make the sentence? Firstly, we have to use in negative sentences subject plus had plus note, then third form, then object. For example, she had completed her work. ठीक है, इससे affirmative sentence. Then how to make negative? We have to apply note. She had not completed her work. There is only one difference. You have to apply note in negative sentences. आपको सिर्फ negative में note apply करना है. Then it will be negative. Sentence use करो. But had, we have to use had with singular and plural both. But you have to apply note in between the had and the main verb, which is in the form of third form. Okay. So let's come to the interrogative sentences. Interrogative. Asking questions. Whenever we ask question to someone, तो सेंटेंस की फॉर्म चेंज हो जाती है कि क्वेश्चन कब पूछ रहे थे, पूछा था, ये सेंस होती है. इसे पास्ट परफेक्ट ही पूछा था, पूछ चुके थे. कैसे? वी हैव टू यूज हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. क्वेश्चन मार्क. यू हैव टू अप्लाई क्वेश्चन मार्क. आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है. देन इट विल बी इजी टू डू. आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते ही आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा कि कैसे करना है. आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैड शी सबमिटेड हर रिपोर्ट. क्वेश्चन मार्क. इफ आई अप्लाई दे हियर, सेम हैड विल बी अप्लाइड. अगर हम दे लगाते हैं तो हैड ही रहेगा, बिकॉज इट विल बी अप्लाइड विथ सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. But in the case of negative plus interrogative, how to change? In negative plus interrogative sentence, what we have to use? Had plus subject plus note, third form and object. Put question mark. For example, had they not passed their examination, then question mark you have to apply. आपको question mark लगा देना लास्ट में बस. That is the main thing. Okay, you can take an example. Had Rita submitted her file, or assignment you can also mention, but you have to mention note. एक चेंज आता है, आपको नोट लगा देना है, then it will be clear. It's a negative plus interrogative or interrogative sentence. Is there only one difference? You have to put a negative note. नेगेटिव में नोट अप्लाई कर देना है बस. थैंक यू.